Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5086672 on your Windows 11 computer because of this error. Something didn't go as planned. No need to worry, undoing changes. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause over here. Once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and then check. Still not working? Type in services in Windows search box and then click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on apply. Click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Make a right click, then click on restart. Now find app readiness. At the very top you will see app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back. If you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working. The next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command and then paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now once the first command is complete, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now run the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once done, run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? You can run these commands. So type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. And then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5086672, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command. In my case, the version is version 25H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings. Go to about system and then scroll down. Go to about option. And over here, for me, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So check your system type. Now, for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for you. For me, if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download. And then click on KB5086672 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction, and you can install this update manually. And once that is done, you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option over here. Scroll down, click on Recovery option, and here you can see Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on Reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working? Close all kinds of third-party application and services. Like if you have any third-party antivirus running, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, you can enable your antivirus program once again. If you have any third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your computer, and then try to update your Windows 11. Next step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected over here. Click on next. You can save it select ISO file over here, and then click on next, and then you can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here, and let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.